Sundown has come again. It's time to rest. The Lord has proclaimed this day to be the best. For the world was created within 6 days. God rested on the seventh, and to man he said, "Come unto me and leave this world behind. I know I can help you find peace of mind. Come unto me, and I will show the way, and together we will worship on this my Sabbath day."
Sweet Sabbath morn dawns bright and fresh. Lift up your voice and praise on this day of rest. Marvel at the works of the Creator's hands. Open up your hearts to Him as He shows you His plan.
Come unto me and leave this world behind. I know I can help you find peace of mind. Come unto me, and I will show the way, and together we will worship and celebrate this day. Evening shadows fall as the sun gently sets. We will ever treasure these moments we've kept, and live with the hope and long for the day when we see our Savior and we hear Him say, "Come unto me and take hold of my hand, and let me lead you to the promised land. Come unto me, for I have brought you peace, and together we will worship throughout eternity." Throughout eternity. Throughout eternity.